Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. If you make that simple mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Chrysler 300D generation right here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you need to find, guys, you have a problem with the map sensor. This is the Manifold absolute pressure sensor. Now, if you want to see which fuses and relays control it, we'll explain that in this video today. And if you want to see how to test map sensor, we'll have videos on our YouTube channels that will talk about that as well. Now, for any of you that want to buy map sensor parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll share the information in the video below. That way you do not waste money and time. Let's start on it now. So guys, before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, that way we can keep making these free videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff, guys. And if you need to buy cheap parts and tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below. Guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So the map sensor, fuses and relays working, guys, expect to find them. We will demonstrate on this generation Chrysler 300 right here. Now, we'll be working two fuse boxes, guys. The first one, what we need to do, we need to open the hood. And the moment you open the hood, doesn't matter if you have a V6 or V8, you come to the passenger side, facing the engine on the left side of the engine. Here, that's a fuse box. Press the tabs together here, pull the cover out, and you will have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. Here for the map sensor, Manifold absolute pressure sensor, which fuses and relays, we need to check multiple. Why? Because there is very limited information about that, so we need to check all engine management, fuses and relays. If you have problems with map sensor, check all of them. Now, for any of you that want to see how to test map sensor, we'll have the video on our YouTube channels that will teach you how to do that. Come in that row of fuses, and even if you have a missing fuse, you count that spot. That's fuse 28, 29, 30, 31. Fuse 31 is the one that you need to check first. Then you need to check fuse 34 and 35. Next, 37, right here. Relay 63, which is known as ASD relay, right here will need to be checked too, guys, that relay. The next fuse box that we need to find is in the trunk. So we need to go ahead, open the trunk. In the very back, underneath, on the carpet liner, lift up the carpet liner. You'll find the spare tire, the car battery. Behind it you have a fuse box. That's a closer look of that same fuse box. Here you have a few tabs that you squish together and you pull the cover out. And underneath you have that layout here, guys. We need to check relay 29. And some of you may have relay 14. If you have it, check that one here as well. But those are the main map sensor, fuses and relays that we need to check. So guys, that generation Chrysler 300 has all kinds of different size of fuses, guys. You can see different fuses, relays. That's the engine fuse box, that's the trunk fuse box. Those could be really hard to find, some of them, guys. And if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a replacement, you cannot get one, you may be stuck, guys. So we will recommend to buy some, put in the glove box for peace of mind. Keep some spare ones. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video was helpful, guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.